scarf. Laro ka nga. Laro ka nga. Malikot. Nice boy, boys. Can you hug mama na lang, please? Hug mama, please. Kiss ako. I love you. Pagaling ikaw, ha? You pray na baby doll. Baby knows na.
Where's Father?
Papa Jesus is in heaven. You ask Papa Jesus na to make you sick.
It's heaven.
Yeah.
Mary's heaven.
No, Mary is in heaven also.
Who is heaven?
So, sino pa? Sino pa?
Where's Father?
Hmm?
Where's Father?
Where's father? Who's father?
Where's Father?
Who's father?
Father is a sing.
Huh?
Father sing.
Father C?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Baka sa church.
Huh?
Baka sa church.
Father in the church?
Yeah.
The priest?
Yeah.
Yeah. No sakit na baby?
Hi.
No more sakit?
Quick. And you broke my marker. I got you.
What are you saying?
Quick.
Hmm?
When you broke my marker.
You broke your marker.
I saw my marker.
It's not a marker. It's a tali. Can you please sleep na?
Yeah.
Can you please sleep? Aray ko.
Cold.
Baby cold?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama,
Mama cold.
yeah.
Ayan na ang baby ko. Naka-confine na ang baby. You want to go home?
No.
Ah, gusto mo here? You want it here?
No.
Gusto niya daw dito. No. We will go home, okay? Wala, gusto niya dito. Buti na lang may TV. Makakanood tayo. Ikaw, pagaling ko ikaw, okay? Sige na, sleep na. I love you. I love you po.
Sabi niya kasi na dito.
Oh, don't cry.
No.
Oh, don't cry.
No.
Don't cry.
No.
Don't cry.
No.
Nilaway mo, oh. Say hey to Ate Shermel.
No.
No, no, no. No, yo. Ako ganyan yung hands pa mo. Okay. Sing na, sing. Dito tayo kasi hindi yan may bed. You sing na. Like that. Yan, nagaya-gaya. Nagaya-gaya. What else? Ah, galing ah. Saan galing yung sing mo na yun? Saan galing? Ha? Saan galing po yun? Dito tayo sleep? Kami na. What do you want to eat when you wake up?
No.
Spaghetti or champorado?
No.
You have to eat.
No, I don't want to sit.
How can we go home if you're not going to eat? You want to stay here longer?
Yeah.
Huh? You want to stay here longer? If you stay here longer, you're not gonna play, you're not gonna swim. You want that? Huh? You want that? Maybe? Hey. Sleep. Eat na boy ikaw. It's already 11 a.m. na. You have to eat na.
No.
The doctor will come na. Galit doctor pag di ka nag-eat. Ha? What do you want? Spaghetti or champorado?
No.
Sungit mo Chloe. Antok na antok pa.
It's a remote.
Where's the remote?
There.
There. No, it's there.
It's the aircon.
This is not aircon. Init mo na init.
It's an aircon. And this. I don't want to keep it to repat.
Yes po. Init mo na.
And the Johnny one.
Ayan, ayan, mama.
Yeah.
Init, init. Init.
Mama.
Wow.
I'll brush it. Keep it.
Oh, init na. Init na. Very good. Ilipat mama.
Yeah.
Where will I lipat?
Johnny one.
Diyan na yung Rama. Ayaw eh.
And there.
Hindi.
And there.
What's hindi?
Isn't there Johnny one?
Ayaw. It's loading. Slow ano? Weak internet.
Johnny one.
Yeah, weak internet. You wait. Who's that baby?
And the Johnny one.
Yes, you wait.
And the Johnny one.
Jana. Jana?
Yeah.
Who's Jana?
Johnny
What happened?
one.
Wait.
The spider the spine.
Huh?
The spine.
Spine?
Yeah, we should.
What?
We should.
Huh?
I have my ears.
What happened to your ears?
It's my ear.
What happened to your ears? Don't do that. Appear na lang tayo.
Mama.
Appear. Disappear. One up. One forward. One forward. One up. Disappear. Appear. Heart. Promise. Heart. Ganon. You do this. Then heart. Kiss mama.
Kiss.
Love you. Peace. Finger. Isa din mama.
Tico.
Kiss.
Mama.
Lips. I want lips.
Tico.
Tico. That's the scissor.
No, joking that.
Huh?
Joking.
What?
It's joking.
Choking?
It's joking.
Huh?
Joking.
Ikaw kasi kung ano napanood mo sa YouTube na hindi English I told you to watch English only
Okay, it's chocolate.
Eat chocolate?
Yeah.
This is chopstick.
This is chocolate.
This is a chocolate?
Yeah.
How?
Mom.
Wow. This is the real chocolate champorado. Eat.
Real chocolate.
Real chocolate.
Mama, eat first.
Ang mait. Baby naman.
Banana! Yawa!
Be, wait lang kasi umiiyak na to. Kaya gamitin niya kasi cellphone ko manood. So, hindi na muna kita mare-reply. Punta na lang kayo here. Okay? Say hi to Ate Sherman.
No!
Umiiyak na, tinan mo ng kawawa. Kasi ang bagal ng internet dito, yung TV hindi na agana. Ready? Say hi to Ninang Sia.
No!
Say hi to Ninang Sia.
No!
Busy siya. Kanina, tinatanong siya ng doktor kung gusto na umuwi. Sabi niya, no. Gusto ata mag-staycation dito.
Zero!
Ano?
Mama, zero!
What?
Zero! Look!
Aping-api ka na naman. Sabi ko, wait lang. Wait What will you say?
The purple.
What will you say?
The purple.
Walang please?
Let's go please.
What again? Again.
No.
Oh, di no.
No.
What will you say to Mama so I can give it to you?
No.
Say please.
No.
Hindi wala. No purple. You should know how to say please.
What's that?
What's that? Oh, say na to Mama, what will you say so I can get the purple for you?
No.
Di no na. No more.
What's that?
What's that? Oh, get tissue. Pulas your luha. Pulas your luha.
No. No, get purple.
Please.
No.
Hindi no.
No, get purple.
Please.
No.
Hindi no.
No, get purple.
No. Should know how to say please to Mama.
No.
Ayoko matigas ulo.
No.
What will you say?
No.
Hindi no. Oh! Oh! No! You're ano mo? Gusto mo tusukin ka agad yan? Eh. Miriam Jean has a visitor. Ate Charmel and Kuya Jacob. Kanina nang galing na dito si Papa and si Robert.
Why?
Miriam Jean, oh. Ate,
Don't
pasalubong
like
to you, oh. Wow, it's a toy.
Oh, di ba you want that?
What will you say?
Oh, take that. No.
No, Kuya Jacob. What do you want? Where's the banana daw? Ayaw gusto daw niya banana eh. Oh, ba't di mo na binigay sa kanya? Wow, you like it? Say thank you. Say thank you. May kalaro ang bebe ko. Oh, sige. Wala ka ng swero. Sige na. Natanggal kasi yung swero niya. Kasi okay naman na siya. Mukhang hindi na ipapabalik ng dog. Kasi baka ma-discharge na kami tomorrow.
Let's go home now. No. Why?
Ayaw niya go
You like
home.
here? Why no?
Gusto niya mag-staycation sa ospital. Kakaloka tong batang to.
No. Let's go home. No. Why?
Ha?
No, you're not allowed here. Here, baby. What?
Aircon daw kasi dito, babe.
What?
Ano, baby? You want tusok again?
No.
Oh, we can go home na. Oh, hug na sa ate. Say thank you to ate.
Let's play? Yeah. Okay, let's play.
You hug ate, hug.
Let's play your ball.
Hug ate mo na hug.
Okay.
What's that?
It's
Squishy. Are you happy? Yeah. Say thank you to ate.
If you galing-galing, I will buy you a lot. So you go out here now.
Let's go home?
No.
Close daw ni ate. Yung damit niya. Conservative yung bunso ko. What can you say, Ate Charmel? Very good naman eh. Dapat naman talaga naka-close. Diba, baby? Right? Very good, Maria G. You're so protective to your...
it's not.
You're so protective to your ate.
It's like that na. It's okay, okay? Okay, this is first one. Okay. Very small, okay? Okay.
Ano daw?
Let's play na, let's play. No, that's it, okay? So what? Oh, it's close na. No, no. It's close. No, no. No, yes, yes. No, open it. No. Oh, why? Make papers, okay? I'll show you. I'll show you. Yes, this is fun.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
Dapat yung baba muna. This one first, oh. Ano na? 7? I know. Oh! 9? Oh!
Oh!
Oh! No, 9, 10 already.
mo. Ano?
Oh, where is it? Oh. Oh. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it's here.
Oh.
Yeah, Bet.
Why you don't want to play with Kuya Jacob? Ikaw ah.
Yeah, Bet. 12. 13. 14. Oh, no. 14. 17. No, 15.
Again.
14. 15.
15.
16. No, wait, get it.
Okay.
Get it, please. Wait, please.
Why?
Why?
Get it.
Get it po, please.
Oh, come.
Diba?
17. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23.
Ay.
25.
What's next?
23.
Ha? 26 wala.
26.
After to us next to 26. Very good.
28. Ready, get.
Ha? What?
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 Nag-iisip sa
29.
21.
What are you doing? Hey, where's Regine? Where's Regine? Hey, where's me, Regine?
Ano na eh? 29.
Baby, let's go home na.
Tomorrow.
Let's go home today.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, let's go. Eto, may nagtitiktok dito. Ang galing ah. Naiya si Jacob. How about you want TikTok? You go TikTok with them.
Bibigyan natin yan.
You go TikTok with them.
No.
Why? Let's go home?
No.
Let's go home?
Tomorrow go home.
Tomorrow go home, okay?
Okay.
Galing pala ni Jacob eh.
Hindi na down.
Okay.
Bit siya, baby.
Hindi kasi ako marunong mag... Anong tawag dyan, be?
Brazilian.
Brazilian step?
for you. Wow, what's that? It's made for you.
Hoy! Hulog ka!
Naglag siya.
Careful! Ba naman si Mireya Jean. Yung outfit ng anak ko na pang beach. See-through. Ang galing ni Jacob eh. So, galing si Jacob eh. Oo nga, mas magaling ka si Jacob. Jacob, ba? Hindi mo ako tuturuan ah. Sabi ko sa'yo, tuturuan mo ako eh.
Sarap ang pila.
Oh,
Iba yun.
paano yun? Dali. Paano yun di?
Baby, come here.
Dali. Dance na yun. Dala. Dance with ate. Dali, come on.
Dali na.
Ayun, TikTok.
Let's go.
Dali, TikTok with ate.
No.
Oh.
Init ko pa.
Tong, apo. Tong, tigi, digi, digi, dong. Dali.
Ayan ba yun?
Ay!
Ang lakas ng ulan.
Hindi kayo makaka-uwi. Hindi
Cherry.
kayo makaka-uwi pag malakas ulan. Sabahan.
Careful na.
Oo, baka yan eh.
Where's it?
Where's my zipper?
Where's that one?
Where's the other one.
Oh, where are you going? Where are you going?
No.
Oh. You to go TikTok with Ate and Kuya Jacob. I thought you want to dong digi dong. Ayan na, oh. Ah, paano yan? Paano yung paa? Paano yung paa? Dali. Dali. Ay, si Ate Shermel, oh. No.
Naka-slippers pa ikaw.
Ay, remove slippers. Yan, galit ang nurse eh. Tong, tigi, digi, digi, dong, tigi, digi, digi, dong. Bebe, paano na? Dali.
You want ikot?
I like ikot. Slow ikot only, okay? Slow ikot. Ay, wow!
One more.
Slow nga lang. Faster ka naman. Gusto mo sumuka ulit? You want to vomit again? You want to vomit again? Ah, iya daw. Wala.
No.
No more na.
It's enough na. They're going to eat po. Enough na, enough. Kanina ayaw mo ipaglaro kay Kuya Jacob.
O, last na.
Ngayon naman eh. Unlimited ka naman.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, sit down. Nainit ng butong maka. Ala, wala na. Gusto ko mabaga sa baby ko. Ala, nasad siya. Nasad siya.
Kasi sa kanya ka magpakarga.
Nasad si baby. Wala nang gustong kumarga.
Sa kanya ka
Ay,
magpakarga.
gusto Tito Junior, oh.
daw siya.
Tito Junior.
Ilalagay niya
Si Tito Junior. Aray ko.
Say bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. See you, Jojo. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Go down. I go down. Okay. No.
Kiss Ate Shermel, kiss.
No. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you. I kiss Ate Cheryl.
Kiss Ate Shermel, kiss.
Kiss. Kiss mo na.
Bye-bye.
No.
Ikaw talaga.
Bye-bye na.
Babay na ikaw sa kanila.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Baby, sick.
Ano ka nakalaro?
Mama,
What?
sick.
Ha?
You're sick though.
You're no longer sick. You still sick. Look at you, ah.
You're
Keep
not
on
sick
playing.
anymore, baby.
No more.
Oh, yay. We're going tomorrow. Virgin, you go home na?
No.
Why? You don't want to go home yet? Let's go home. Let's go home. Hey. Hey, Mama's talking to you. Rhea, let's go home. Busy? Are you busy?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Sit down properly. Hey, sit down properly. Ay, sit down properly. Finish that papaya on your mouth. Ayaw kumain ng prutas eh. Tama din. Let's go home na.
No.
You want to stay here? Why? You want sakit? You want sakit? You want to be sick? You want to
No
stay
sick.
here? Oh, no sick. So, we can go home na because you're no longer sick. Let's go.
No.
Ano ba?
I don't like go.
Why you don't want to go home? Stay here? You want to stay here?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Mama will go.
Ate will go.
Bye-bye. Iwan ka dito mag-isa?
No.
Bye.
I'm tired.
Bye.
No.
Ang puti mo talaga. Ha? Bakit ba hindi ka nagmana kay mama ng kulay, ha?
Wonder my slippers.
But you're still very pretty, of
Where's my
course.
slippers?
Let's go. Let's go.
Where's my slippers?
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Get your slippers na. Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Ano? Bye.
Bye-bye na.
Bye.
Mama.
Bye.
Mama.